Welcome. In this video, we are coming up with some interesting updates from Google. So let's see what Google have new for us. First, now voice command or Google Assistant can be used while navigating. For example, you can ask for cancel my navigation, what is my estimated time arrival, or what's my next turn. So now you can use your voice command while navigating also. Nice, baby. Second, if you have weak connection or no connection and your search fails, Google app will deliver you results once you regain your connection. Means now Google app will automatically give you your search results once you regain your connection. That's interesting, but on second thought, जब जरूरत थी तभी नहीं मिला तो अब क्या? Third, now you can troubleshoot your connectivity issues with more helpful error cards. I think this can be very helpful. If your device has connectivity or network issues, you can use these error cards. Fourth, now you can get your privacy status or settings from home screen. Just tap your Google account profile picture, top right on your screen. So, this is very nice of Google. Now you have your privacy status at front. I think with this step, Google step forwarded with their privacy status. So, this is all for this video. We see you soon with new updates. Signing out. Namaste.